All right, folks, here we are back at the French Broad. Nothing else is running. But most importantly, I've got Lance, and he's here all the way from Massachusetts and never been on the French Broad. Have you ever boated in the Southeast? Never boated in the Southeast. So he was going back and forth between his Scorch. Get your granddaddy long legs out there. They'll be crawling on your leg.
I've already moved my...
Look at him on the sidewall, the right sidewall, inside the boat. Oh, yeah. They'll be crawling all over your leg and be like, is that water? Is that something in there? Anyway, so he decided on the Scorch for Frank Bell's. We're going all the way to Hot Springs, and I think we're gonna have a blast. You ready, Alan? How long has it been for you? A little over a year?
It's been about a year.
Year and a half almost. Well, let's go have fun. And nothing but, if I don't talk about it, it's make your own adventure, go wherever you wanna go. And then we got a little ways before we have anything at all that matters. So just go do whatever makes you feel comfortable on a river. So Lance had reached out to me a month or two earlier, and he and his wife and his young son are in the area on vacation this week, and he wanted to link up and paddle if it could work out. And wouldn't you know it, it did. And we found ourselves here on the French Broad, Section 9, for a couple of reasons. One, it was one of the only rivers running. And number two, based on what he told me his skill level and appetite for the river was, it seemed like the perfect bet. The plan was to go all the way to Hot Springs where his family was camping, but he was a little bit nervous about Frank Bell's Rapid. So I told him we'd take it as it comes and figure it out when we get there. Woo! His kayaking abilities were exactly as described, and just when we were off to a great start. I forgot my GoPro box in the truck. All right, got the box. Take two. Nice. What's going on over here? I was like, that looks like a swimmer, but there's no way.
Mandatory jangle.
Love it. Lance fit right in, and we had the river to ourselves for the most part. His plan was to spend a day here paddling this, and then move on down to Charlotte, where he planned to spend about a week at the Whitewater Park. And if luck would roll my way, I could get free and join him and maybe show him down the comp channel. Not knowing what to expect from the Whitewater Park, he felt a little more apprehension about Frank Bell's than the comp channel, but we'll see how that plays out. All right, you're in it now. This is S-turn. It's one of the more technical ones. It's not hard, but it's got like kind of like some weird boils and stuff between the rocks, but it's a lot of fun. Approach it slow, but when you get in that notch, just be aggressive. up. You're good. You got it. You got it. Woo! You did. Oh, the Howland took his tumble. That was not a good looking roll. Come on, there it is. Yeah, boy! Watch behind you. Nice rolls. I love that kind of squirrely stuff. All right, so this is Big Pillow. Just follow me. Do less rudders. You're slowing down with the rear rudders. Just do slow forward strokes. Yeah, when you slow down and the water starts going faster, then you're essentially going backwards because water's going by your boat. And so it'll try to spin your stern out.
You have to try to be stable, so it's just forward stroke, huh?
Yeah, it'll totally destabilize the boat because now the water's rushing you and it wants to take your stern. So you're committed to the speed of the water. So you just got to keep going. If it gets 20 miles an hour, you're going 20 miles an hour. But it's common. Everyone tries to slow down for control and then they lose control. Yeah. You don't want to overcharge. A lot of people, either you're a drifter or an overcharger by default. So a lot of people, most people are drifters. They try to slow down. The other people like that the whole time. You're like, stop, stop. Just want to be barely faster than the water. This one down here is called Swimmer's Rapid. It's where the people jump off the raft to swim. Super deep, but it's also really swirly. So watch the whirlpools. Whirlpool.
All right, you want me to send it blind, huh?
Send it. You have all the bait you need. Just be like 30 feet off the bank. And then once you see it, just stay in the biggest wave trains you can find.
And if I don't?
Stay in the biggest wave trains you can find. Huh?
Am I recording?
Yep. Come back right a little bit. And send it right down the pipe. Yep, you got it. If you find yourself somewhere where that doesn't look like a really good option, look for the most outflow and punch it there. Very good. Go that way. Yeah, boy! Very nice. That's Brian's rock right there. He swam most all that. It was great. Right in the middle. Nice. The rocks, it's low. Stay off. Stay. Oh, he's gonna hit it. There, good. It doesn't look good today. So if you scan the water real close, you can start seeing the tips of rebar all down through there for like the next 200-300 yards. Yeah, just stay in left and you're fine. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. When we got to Windy Flats, you could tell Lance was a little bit apprehensive about what lay ahead. So naturally, Alan and I talked it up and really got into his head to really hype up the moment. A little less encouragement and attaboy and more of the horror stories and just general banter that makes someone question what it is exactly they're about to do, and is it a good idea. This way he can learn to overcome things, and I kind of have the idea maybe we'll just run the rapid without scouting because he's doing fine, and I think if he just follows me, he'll have just as good a shot at making it than if he gets out of his boat, takes a break, looks at it, and gets a little bit more nervous. And on top of that, he's never actually performed a horizon line boof, so I think we'll take Kayaker's ledge blind too, just give him the quick beta, and send him off the ledge, so to speak. Oh yeah! Wait with Alan, and I'll get set up with the video before you go. I've got radios. I'll let him know. Oh yeah. Nice! Nice. All right, folks, it's what you've all been waiting for. We're here above Frank Bell's, and Lance is the man. He's opted to run it blind. He's like, I don't need to scout.
That's not.
The conversation was something like that, but we've decided you can only run it blind once. Sometimes when you get out and look at it, it scares you. And I know I get scared every time I look at it. How you feeling, Lance?
I'm good.
He's crushing it.
I trust Pete's leadership, and
that's mistake number one. But no, I think we can find the lead in. It's a little different looking now without the island, and the left channel has a new, more options. So if I can deliver him to the right place to start, I think he's gonna crush it. I think so. We thought about the boof line, but I think it may be, I don't, it's just, sometimes I'm not sure where I'm at when I'm doing it, because I don't do it enough. I don't know where I'm at, so I don't want to take him into the wrong boof line. But yeah, we're gonna just run the traditional center left and then punch it and see what happens. You got it, man. Yeah.
Don't let it get in your head.
It was in his head when he woke up.
Bigger than this.
huh?
He's likely to run bigger than this.
Probably not. I love that conversation. You're not helping, Pete.
You guys are not helping.
If I point left or right, go where I'm pointing. Like if I come in there and I'm a little off, or I see something I like better, I'll point to it. Go there.
Like with your paddle?
Probably my hand. I'll probably like do this.
Best.
Yeah.
I literally just try to follow you.
Okay. I'll do my best too.
All right. Hey, are you catching the end?
No,
All right.
not unless I need to. I might. I don't know. We'll find out. Depends on what's going on. Roll! You got it. You're up. You're up. Fabulous. That's it. Yeah, baby. Woo! Sometimes if you hype it up a little bit, it's easier when you get there.
Let's go. I almost did the whole damn thing.
Did you like the gradient?
I almost took the ball. I pulled it out.
Nice. Did you get on that seam? Because you had to jump to the seam, over the seam to the flow again.
I don't know. I just know that I'm trying to stay close.
You came in a little bit more to the right than I'm used to.
Yeah.
You actually over that tank there. Normally I go to the left of that.
Yeah, I did that with Austin, and it put him in a weird place below it. So if I do that, it puts you better.
I mean, I like the line. I just never done it.
Yeah, you just gotta boof onto that flow, then you're set.
That was fun.
That was
And
fun.
I'm glad I had the score.
Yeah. More boof stroke. See if Alan can get it. Yeah! Nice.
That was a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Yeah, we'll meet you at lunch. Just leave your tote in my truck. It's fine. Go, 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 go. Pete? He's got my drywear. I thought he was cool.
You want a pair of underwear, I mean. That makes you.
That's my
your
thing.
I
That's
mean,
my thing.
your MO.
All right, folks, I'm here with world famous Jack over here at the Whitewater Park. And what's your boy's name?
Austin.
Austin.
Yep.
Is he here?
He's here. Yeah, he's getting checked in right now.
Austin, hurry up. Let's catch a lap on the river.
Yeah.
Good to see you, man.
We did the Wilderness Channel for the
Whoa,
first time.
messed that up. There we
last
go.
Week, so we're excited to get back out here and just
Awesome.
keep going at it.
Right on. And where do you live?
Concord.
Concord.
So,
Excellent. We're going to meet him on the hall. It's going to be fun.
Absolutely. I'd love to.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I was filming name and I didn't see you. I'm Pete. How are you doing?
I'm Kathy.
Good to meet you. Sorry about that.
I'm trying to stay up. That's all.
You're doing great. Hey man, good news. Good news, you're famous now. Yeah. All right, folks, I'm here with Michael from Lexington. He just had a stellar moment, and I just kind of came by the rock at the right time there.
Yep.
He's like, no.
Yep.
So must have something for it.
All right.
Welcome to the swim team, brother.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
You bet. Hey, how you doing? Doing fantastic.
Alan is there. And I was like, oh my God.
Yeah. So Alan's there, Stan and Connor. And then Naaman is in here somewhere. Oh yeah. Yeah, Evan! Now look who we found. We found Lance. He's been here all week, and the wife, and James Burleson. So we have a party now, and Lance is walking it with me. We're gonna scout it. He's gonna warm up in the Wilderness Channel, and then says he's not sure if he wants to run the comp channel yet, but we're gonna scout it so that when he's ready to do it, we'll be ready.
Proud to say that I haven't had any bells. Been trying to keep it that way.
No. That's a bad, like, a bad progression goal. You definitely don't want bells, but you don't want to shy away from something because there might be a bell. He's been section 9 and then 5 days in the wilderness channel, no swims and a firecracker. Everyone give him a like if you think he should do it. The biggest thing to remember here is that if you get on the right, you're still gonna be fine. But this left side has this nasty, really diagonal seam. It's almost parallel seam to you. So if you get on the left side, you're okay, but you can't keep going straight when you get to that seam or it's gonna flip you. So you wanna go over that thing, stay in that flow, hit this pile, stay in that flow, then go left. But see, like what I'm saying is if you hit this seam, I've been over there many, many times. If you get over there, square up to the seam, forget the rapid. You gotta get over the seam, so you need to hit it perpendicular to the seam. Like when you boof off that, if you get over there, don't be trying to get back to the middle, because then you're lined up with the seam and you'll be underwater. If you get over there, just boat into the tourist trap.
And then just paddle out that way.
It's not gonna happen. You might get lucky. If you get far, far left, you'll be in the tourist trap eddy. And when that happens, see the surges coming up and down? It's kind of low right now. And then you'll feel it'll surge up. There's a surge. So you want to be up in there when the surge happens. When you feel it rolling out, you take right next to the seam and you can bug out that way. This will be a...
Oh, you got out.
Oh! Yeah. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure? That was a hit, brother. Give me your paddle. I'm glad you're good, man.
I know.
Well, you ate that one. Woo. Yeah, you got a shiner on your chin.
I imagine so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything feel normal? Your bite's normal?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, good. I thought you might have been out. I was coming to get you. Caitlin! Look who I found, everybody. Rockstar, Caitlin.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm glad y'all came through when you did, because we had a complete carnage train. One group before you, and the guy who was thinking about doing it was like, I don't know. Then y'all came through and made it look good. I was like, yeah, focus on them. Do what they did.
Yeah, do it like that.
Well, look who I found, folks. It's Brett and Tad, world famous. Where y'all from?
Here in Charlotte.
Y'all, how long have you been paddling?
Since last July.
Last July, right
You
on.
helped us out a lot.
Right on.
Yeah.
You run the comp channel yet?
Not yet.
No?
That's
Is
coming
today
up.
the day?
No.
All right, folks, I'm here with world famous Cole. Where are you from?
Hey, how's it going? Grew up South Charlotte, just moved back from Colorado.
Right, how long have you been boating?
It's my first season.
How you doing?
Loving it.
Comp channel yet?
Not yet. Not
Today's
yet.
the day?
Maybe. I swam M-Wave the other day and messed me up, so
Oh.
I'm a little,
Well, don't swim.
well, I'll try not to, man.
Woo!
Lance, Alan, and I hit the Wilderness Channel for a few warm-up laps. And it's kind of funny because he's been here for 5 days in a row, Monday through Friday. He has still not run the comp channel, but he is definitely warmed up. In fact, he's probably already tired, so we didn't want to do too many laps before going over. Just wanted to make sure he was looking strong and maybe give him some small pointers that might help him out and make things easier. So a couple quick laps around the Wilderness Channel, and then I was going to try to convince him to go big. After the first lap with Lance, I felt like the main thing he should focus on right now is staying high over the features, keeping his bow up, putting in a boost stroke, at the bottom of waves on features and just learning how to float over the features and skip out instead of bearing down in them.
That's much better.
Riding high and dry over rapids is a great way to keep your speed and stay in control, and it'll really help you when you get onto big, pushy water.
Did you feel how you stayed on top and skipped?
Yeah.
That's what you want to be doing all the way down. Nice! Where's she at? Your wife. Be a good time for her to get ready with the camera.
I'm committed to the first half right now.
Well, if we hit the bottom of the bridge rapid and you see me just go straight and cruise and don't catch the eddy, just come on. It'll be over in 20 seconds, maybe 40, 70 or 80 if it doesn't go well. It's two things, right, and then you're done. Just be right on the tongue, be right
You're
on the...
taking left strokes, right?
To get right, yeah. Just stay, just whatever you have to do, just stay on the right side of the corner. Because it tries to fold you to the left, just try to stay working right a little bit. Don't get too far.
Don't get too far. Don't get too far.
But just work right and then you're set. Then just hit the bottom left, or hit anywhere at the bottom, but the bottom left of center.
Hit the middle, I'm gonna go just like this.
Better dig a stroke if you hit the middle pile.
Just lean forward.
Definitely lean forward. Do not lean back when you hit that bottom pile. Yeah. You should be, hit the pile, boof, and then like do that and then pull it left. Y'all ready? You what?
I would prefer to run it again.
Okay.
I was not in control.
Good. You're here and you're upright. This is literally, we'll just float through here in 2 left strokes. Just, hey, we're gonna bop down the right side of each one of these little nothings, and then we're gonna go boop, boop, and then whoosh, done. That's literally all there is. It's just a little faster, that's all.
This river hit the top.
Just work a little right at the corner, and then you're set.
Yeah, but you're here, aren't you?
By the grace of God.
She's waiting on you, dude. That's her. Come on. Let's do it. Come on, let's just roll. Right behind me, come on. Come on, Lance! Here you are! That was ugly!
I told you I'd rather die than swim.
Way to pull it together! Oh no!
That's not beyond your capabilities.
He went over the left rocky ledge on the big drop upside down. I was like, oh, that's not where you want to be.
I got turned into the seam. I was like, this is not going to go good.
I went for what Alan was saying. There's no rocks, so I was just like, no rocks, no.
Did you feel the at all?
Yeah.
Hey, look, and then you were in the tourist trap going, and we're like disappearing. I want friends. I want
See my face. I'm like, get out of here.
He made it.
Yay, good job!
Upside down.
Not going to be on any kind of like smooth line reels or anything, but he's here. All right, there he is, world famous Jay Sherrard.
Oh yeah, rocking
He's just committed to running Wilson with me as soon as it opens. All right, we got him in, yeah.
Let's go.
There he is! What are you doing? Yeah, I've been trying to find you out here. How you been?
Good.
Have you been past this yet?
No, we're about to go down this for the first time.
Oh, yeah. Is this your instructor?
Yeah, this is Quinn.
Very good.
Taking him down.
I want to be there.
All right.
I'll film you.
Be there soon.
You'll be a hero.
Brandon has been coming out to the Farrington Point roll sessions all summer. This is his first time on moving water. He's got a pretty solid roll, and I was stoked to at least get part of his run through the Wilderness Channel. I missed his lap through M-Wave, but that just means we'll have to get together again. He's put in a ton of work on his roll this summer, and it's very rewarding to see him out here having fun. For me, learning to roll before you learn to paddle is the preferred method, and I know not everybody gets to do that these days. But for his first day in the Whitewater Park, he's crushing it, and the roll makes that possible.
Are you scouting it with him?
Yeah.
Are you going to run the left shoulder?
I don't even know if we're gonna run it yet.
Okay.
I wanted to stay in case Brandon ran M-Wave, but Shalika had already ordered dinner, and there was a plate with my name on it, and I was hungry.
I am.
I can't believe this, man. I've been watching your video. I'm sorry.
Oh, no.
I do this
Get
all
over
the
there.
time. My name is Chris Day. I'm not world famous yet.
Well, you are now.
Dinner hit the spot, and while Lance and family had the jet, I took some time to run some solo laps around the park. Solo speed laps are a great way to get in touch with your thoughts, clear your mind, and wind out your day. My thoughts turned towards current events, the state of things, and ultimately, my buddy Isaac.
We got the main man, the man of the hour, Isaac Johnson.